Hi everyone, today I'm going to be creating a really intense smoky black eye look with a really bloody red lip using two of the new products from the Byredo Autumn collection. The first product is the Fetes Noires palette, which is this really beautiful all black palette. It has 5 shades of black, everything you could need to create a smoky smoldering eye or a gothic look, or even just a sharp eyeliner. So the palette contains this really beautiful, intense matte black pigment. Then it's got a kind of starry night palette, which is black with a hint of like glitteriness. This one is a really beautiful steel gray, really good for like the center of the eye to add a little bit more kind of like metallic black. This one has more of a pearlescent base, so it's a really good graphite black. And then finally we have this loose black sparkly pigment, which is great for pressing on over your lid, using it on your eyelashes to create a shimmery eyelash or whatever else you might want to use it for. And then I'm going to be using this Mad Red, which is a really beautiful cherry red, and I feel like it's nice to have not just like a standard red lip, but to try something a bit different. So this has like elements of brown and cherry in. So first of all, I'm going to be taking one of the Kajals in black from Byredo, and I'm just going to begin by lining my eye all the way along. It's got a little bit of setting time, so if you want to like blend it in, you can, but once you've blended it and you're happy with it, it will set and then not move, which is kind of exactly what you want from a black eye kohl, especially on the waterline. You don't want the waterline to kind of rub off and stuff, so that's a really great product. And I'm going to take it onto my upper waterline as well, just to intensify the lashes like that. So that's kind of your base, and that should set now and shouldn't move for the rest of your evening or wherever you're going. So first of all, I'm going to work with the grey steely colour, and I'm going to put that in the middle of my lids. Apply it like that. It's a really beautiful kind of cold steel black, and this will help to keep your smoky eye look feeling dimensional, because sometimes when you just put a load of black on the eye, it can kind of look a bit flat. So by putting this metallicness in the middle, you will still create a sense of kind of like depth, which is really nice for a smoky eye. Next, I'm going to add a darker color to the inner corner, so I'm going to be working with a mixture of these two. So I'm going to just take a little mix of those and just work it in there. And by adding that kind of denseness, that will help to create that kind of definition and dimension. So now I'm going to add some of that matte black at the very end, which is a really dense matte black, to the outer corner of my eye. And just up into the socket a little bit. And then you want to get a nice clean fluffy brush and just gently blend it out, so you keep that really nice soft edge and it doesn't become a kind of too sharp and hard. I'm trying to keep the brow bone really clear so you have a little bit of definition. I'm just winging it up a little bit so you get that nice sweep up, and then I'm just going to kind of take that colour and blend it under and around a little bit, not too heavy because I've already used the Kajal to line my eyes, but just a little bit to soften the underneath of my eye. So now for the lip, I'm going to be using the Mad Red, and I'm just going to start in the center doing a cross like this to shape my Cupid's bow. Bring it out and down. There's that really nice cherry red, which is nice if you like a red lipstick and you want to have something a bit different. So this is a smoky classic black and cherry red lip look using the new Fetes Noires palette and the new Mad Red from Byredo. The red's obviously got a hint of cherry in, so it's a bit of a different take on the classic red, and the black palette has all of those different tones of black, so you can really create a beautiful dimensional black smoky eye. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next week.